Today I am going to show you another recipe, super simple and easy for keto-friendly dinner. So today I am going to teach you how to make crusted salmon with creamy rice cauliflower, sautéed spinach and sprinkle with sun-dried tomato. I will post the recipe below the video. Now let me go over all the ingredients we need for this super easy recipe. Main ingredients: white cod salmon fillet. For the crust we need pork panko. I love this product. I will link the product below the video. And other spices are keto sweetener, Celtic salt, lemon zest, thyme, basil and powdered garlic. And I am going to serve with rice cauliflower and spinach, sautéed spinach. So let's get started. Let's start with making the salmon. But let me preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my baking pan lined with parchment paper ready, so I just need to spray it with avocado oil. Now I'm going to mix all the spices in a smaller bowl. Oh my god, I love the aroma. This dinner is super quick and easy to make. Let's add to the pork panko. We want to combine all the ingredients. Well, we need a little bit bigger bowl to make sure that all the ingredients are combined well. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. We need 2 small bowls or platters. And in one bowl, I am going to put my crust. Okay. And in the second bowl, I am going to put my beaten egg. Okay, and with the clean hand, I am going to coat the fillet in eggs. And now we are like crusting the salmon, just like this. Okay. Alright. That's it. Alright. You want to make sure that the fish is completely covered with the crust. I am going to bake for about 10-12 minutes till the salmon is slightly golden. And I will see you in a moment. While the salmon is in the oven, let's make rice cauliflower and sautéed spinach. And you know, I forgot to mention, I got this rice cauliflower from the store. You can make it your own. It will take a little bit longer. Rice cauliflower is very easy to find in the store and the frozen section. Okay, so on one pan I am going to make rice cauliflower. On the second one I am going to make spinach. very simple recipe. For the spinach, we need to melt butter, and I'm going to put 2 cloves of garlic. I am not mincing the garlic because I don't like the pieces of garlic in my spinach, but if you like it, you can mince it and put it here. Alright, so this is going to melt, and on the second pan I am also going to use butter, and if you cannot tolerate dairy, you can use coconut oil or avocado oil. With the cauliflower rice, I will mince the garlic. It's funny, but in the spinach I don't like it, but here I am okay with it. Everyone has a different preferences, right? And you need to make it the way you love it. Okay? As you see, the recipe goes very fast. While we are baking salmon, we are making side dishes. Alright, so the rice cauliflower is going to this pan. I am using just Celtic salt and black pepper, but you can add any spices you like. Alright, so oh my god, the aroma of this garlic is amazing. And just sprinkle with Celtic salt. I will put the heat on low and cover. This needs to be cooked just for a few minutes. And this cauliflower needs to be cooked for about 4 minutes. You need to check how tender, how soft you like it. Okay, so let me cover and wait for the fish. Almost done. Spinach just needs a little bit not too long of cooking, because we don't want to lose the nutrients. Okay, the fish is ready. Let me show you how it looks. Let's check our fish. Okay, now I am going to broil for 1 to 2 minutes, and this fish is for somebody else. I'm just kidding. It's for Maya. We almost done, so let me show you how I serve the fish, the crusted salmon. When the oven was open, you saw the third fish was without crusting. That one was for Maya. She doesn't like a crusted one. Okay, so let me show you how I am serving my fish. So I am going to put the rice on the side, spinach, and then I will sprinkle with sun-dried tomatoes. I put our rice already, then our fish, and the spinach on the side. I have little bit big pieces of sun-dried tomatoes, so let me cut it. The sun-dried tomatoes goes very well with spinach. Just not too much, a little bit. This is the final result. As you see, the recipe was very fast and very easy to make. If you have any question about the recipe or any question about ketogenic diet, or you want me to make another recipe, or you have an idea what should I make, let me know below the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my recipe, please put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am providing a lot of recipes here, and if you like to watch more videos, please go ahead and check other ones. And thank you so much again. See you in the next one. Bye!